My experience was great. I was provided a number of resources to develop my scientific temperament and mental abilities. I was also provided various platforms to compete at an all India level, and I definitely see a major change in my abilities. I have not set up an account on most social media apps, but the few that were remaining, I set a timer, a limit on the duration which I could use the app every day. My parents motivated me to work hard every day. They also helped me maintain my health so that I could put in all my efforts into my academics. After my boards in 10th grade, I had gone for a personality assessment which indicated that I would do well in the science stream, and I thought engineering would suit my mindset, so I chose engineering. The Aakash BYJU'S center was very close to my house, and they also offered recorded video lectures which I felt would help me because I also wanted to study for my boards. It's important to have a daily schedule and a timetable to make a habit of studying every day. It's also important to take mock tests close to the exam apart from doing the material provided by the institute like success, magnet and the targets. Other than that, the iTutor application helps provide resources that we may need. And also the previous year questions provide a good insight on what type of questions are asked in the exam. One of the main challenges that I faced during my preparation was a lack of motivation to put in long hours to cover the syllabus. However, my teachers, mentors and peers greatly helped keep the motivation up to work hard for the exam. Just a month before the exam, it's very important to keep doing mock tests more than trying to cover the syllabus in the last minute. And it's very important to have a reliable source of mock tests. So in this way, Aakash BYJU'S really helped me in putting the practice every day by giving me a mock test every single day during the last month. I had planned my schedule in a way that my mind would be most active during the hours that the exam will be held on the final day. So I would wake up in the morning and exercise. I would go for a jog outside, and when I would come back, I would sit for a mock test around the same time that the final exam would be held. Apart from that, wherever I could find time in the day, I tried to complete the syllabus. My advice would be to ask your doubts from the teachers consistently. Don't be afraid to raise your queries. Also, it's important to make a notebook for the mistakes that you've made during your 2-year preparation and look at them frequently so that you can repeat the application of the concept but not the mistakes themselves. I also think it's important to make a book of formulae which you can revise just before the exam.